Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the hardware and app ready. Connect your controller via USB or Wi-Fi and confirm R15m firmware is on the required V1. Open the R15m app, pick the correct rig, then choose mode and tap track to enter tracking mode. Calibrate right away. Place the rig on a flat surface, press calibrate for about 3 to 5 seconds so sensors baseline. Once done, you'll see live sensor readouts. Make sure values are stable before moving on to recording. Now you tune how tracking behaves. Adjust sensitivity and smoothing. A good starting point is 50% sensitivity with 20% smoothing, so motion is responsive but not jittery. Next, map each sensor to its channel or joint ID and invert axes only when a limb moves opposite to expectations. Enable constraints to prevent extreme poses, set angle limits per joint, and turn on collision avoidance if available. Once configured, test a few motions slowly to ensure mappings and constraints react as you expect. You're ready to record and finalize your work. Start with short takes and review keyframes after each pass. Save incremental versions so you can revert. If motion looks off, make live adjustments, tweak sensitivity, increase smoothing, or remap any misbehaving sensor. When problems persist, troubleshoot methodically. Reboot the R15m and app, recalibrate the rig, and inspect connections, replace loose cables or batteries. If jitter remains, lower sensitivity or increase smoothing until motion is clean and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.